guys, welcome back to my video. Parents, teachers, and givers. And this is John David's Storytime Adventures. Welcome back. And we're gonna read a book. I really like Slop. And guess what? I can produce another book coming.
And this is by who?
Mo Willems. And I really like Slop. And their next episode's gonna be Elephants Cannot Dance.
Okay. Let's do first the
I really like Slop.
Slop.
Have you ever tried Slop before?
No, what does that mean?
I don't know. What is that? Look at the flies.
Mm-hmm.
Ew.
Maybe it's Slop. Slop.
Which one would you rather try?
This one?
I would try nothing.
Why?
It's because this book, Jared is gonna get crazy with a Slop.
Okay.
I think that's why.
All right,
I don't really like it. La la la. Hi, Gerald. Hi, Piggy. Yikes! What is that? This is Slop. Slop? Yummy, yummy Slop. Yummy? You eat that? Sure, I eat this. Pigs really
That's
like
a lot.
Slop.
Yeah.
Eating Slop is part of pig culture. Oh. Should it smell like that? Yes. What about all those flies?
Mm-hmm.
The flies are how you know it's ripe. Yeah, man. Do you want to try my Slop? Do I want to try your Slop? No way! Oh, okay.
What's the name of the elephant?
Gerald?
How about the piggy?
Piggy.
Oh, really?
Piggy, wait. Yes, Gerald? I will go try your Slop. Yay! Maybe you will really like Slop. Maybe. Try a big taste. I won't try a small taste. Look, that is a small taste. You're getting close to trying Slop. You are closer. Closer. You tried it. I don't think Gerald's going to end up well.
No.
Let's see.
Oh.
Oh.
Did he get poisoned? What's going on?
Spicy, huh? Do you know how I get that old shoe taste?
What?
Old shoes. Ooh. Oh. So he baked old shoes in there? Ew, that sounds gross. Urk. Oh. So, do you really like Slop?
So Slop is a food, huh?
Ew, yeah, that's scary.
Right?
No, I do not really like Slop, but I am glad I tried it, because I really like you. Oh, Gerald. Dessert? Don't push it, bub. That was a funny book, right?
So what did you learn, what lesson did you learn from this story?
I don't know. I don't really know.
What did you learn from it?
Be friends.
Be friendly.
Be friendly.
What else? Share your blessings.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't trick your friends. Yeah.
And the next one is Elephants Cannot Dance. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share my videos. Bye.